Oh, this was it, man.
16:14, huh?
Yeah, 15 minutes after 4 we came to, let me start this, to our final destination, the Cairn, the summit of the Green Mountain volcano. Hooray! So quiet. We just been on that peak and I left my own note right there, and if you come over, please read it. My contact information is there. You see little ring on the background, which is nice as well. So what the elevation, Sarin?
I have to see now. First I have to send check in.
Officially it's supposed to be 2200, that's what it says in Wikipedia. But there is always but. So from here our way is only down. We're not going anywhere. Okay, so I'm sending the signal from the top of the world. We came all the way from there. I don't. Oh, capsule is still here, Sarin.
Really?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
Right there. Don't pull it out yet.
No. Oh, yes.
I will write a note. Cool, man.
This is 2020 meters, man.
No. Supposed to be 2200 according to.
2200. Yeah. 2200.
Okay. Let me see. I believe you. Maybe it's not recorded, but.
No, you can see better now.
Yeah, I guess.